Unlocking the meaning, fuel mix, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English language learning fun and easy for you. Today, we have an interesting phrase to unravel: fuel mix. Whether you've come across this in reading or heard it in conversation, you might be wondering what it exactly means. Well, you're in the right place, as we're going to break it down for you today. Before diving into the phrase itself, let's take a moment to understand the individual words. Fuel. This is a substance that is used to produce energy. Common examples include gasoline for cars, coal for power plants, and wood for fireplaces. Mix. This refers to a combination of different substances or things. So, when we talk about a fuel mix, we are referring to a combination of different types of fuels. The meaning of fuel mix can vary depending on the context. Let's explore a few different scenarios. 2.1 Energy production. In the context of energy production, fuel mix refers to the combination of different types of energy sources a country or region uses to produce electricity. This could include coal, natural gas, nuclear, solar, wind, and more. 2.2 Transportation. In transportation, fuel mix could refer to the combination of different types of fuels used in vehicles, such as gasoline, diesel, electricity, or hybrid options. 2.3 Cooking and heating. In some parts of the world, fuel mix might refer to the different types of fuels used for cooking and heating homes, like wood, charcoal, kerosene, or gas. Understanding the fuel mix is crucial for several reasons. Environmental impact. Different fuels have different impacts on the environment. Knowing the fuel mix can help assess and mitigate negative effects. Energy security. A diverse fuel mix can contribute to a region's energy security, ensuring a steady supply even if one source is interrupted. Cost and efficiency. Some fuels are cheaper or more efficient than others. Understanding the fuel mix can help in making cost-effective decisions. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, fuel mix, and its various meanings across different contexts. Remember, the English language is full of phrases that can mean different things depending on how and where they are used, so context is always key. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. Happy learning!